Good afternoon, everyone. This is Celebrating All Mothers. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Art with Connie. The co-hosts are Buckeye Girls, Wreath and Things, myself, Design with Emma, Tablescapes by Candy, Creations by Simone, Pretty DIY, Annalise Cupboard, Angela Forston, Mabel's Table, and It's Just Me Robin. The hashtag is Mothers23. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for Mothers 23. And my tablescape is celebrating my mother. Her favorite color was blue. And now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. My tablescape is celebrating my mother. Her name is Mrs. Janie Lucy Oliver. She passed July the 16th of 2009. She was a loving mother and grandmother. And what you see here in the middle was made for me, my brother, and my sister. And it's actually a mat. It has the flowers that were at her funeral and a ribbon of the flowers. And it's been made into a mat. My sister-in-law made that for us. So, a little bit about my tablescape here. The glasses you see here were my mother's. As I said, she loved blue. So these are her actual glasses. They are very, very old, and I very seldom use them. I keep them in my china cabinet. And what I have here, I have my gold charger plate. I've added a blue plate from the Dollar Tree. And the white plate is from Goodwill. I've added a blue flower here, which is also from the Dollar Tree. And my silverware is from Tuesday Morning. The napkin is from Home Goods, and so is the placemat. My centerpiece, the little vases, are from Burlington. The little small ones you see here, I'm thinking they were my mother's. They are blue. The center vase here was from Goodwill. And the flowers were from the Dollar Tree. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and More for inviting me to be a part of this hashtag Mothers 2023. I will be leaving her and her co-host information in my description box. So make sure you all go over and check out all the ladies' channels. And I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Mothers 23 tablescape. And this is in honor of my mother, Mrs. Janie Lucy Roy. We love and miss you, Mom. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.